I'm Dan Fries. I'm the Cochran Family Professor of Earth and Environmental Sciences. I'm really interested in coastal wetlands, and particularly mangrove forests. We've been doing scientific studies on mangroves for a while now, and it really kind of struck me when we started to work on the issue of carbon and the climate change mitigation value of mangrove forests and how they're able to offset some of our greenhouse gas emissions. I've been working on mangroves around the world, but this part of the world is a place that I wasn't very familiar with, and I really wanted to get a global perspective on mangrove forests. They've been a habitat that we've lost a lot of over the last few decades. Louisiana is the home of wetland science, and it has been for decades, so where better to be? So it's really about raising the profile and highlighting areas that are under threat and areas that need conservation and restoration. There is no typical day of research. We might be spending a couple of weeks in an isolated coral atoll in the Pacific measuring soil carbon and taking samples and soil cores and things. Or we might be looking at satellite imagery in the lab, or we might be talking to stakeholders. My favorite aspects of teaching research is students. That is the most fun part of the job. A lot of our research is student-led. That interaction is really not just me teaching research, but really training colleagues for the future. We're facing a climate crisis, and nowhere is mitigating climate change more important than Louisiana. The conservation and restoration of ecosystems like mangrove forests provides us a lot of opportunities and solutions to help mitigate climate change. I'm really interested to train students to take advantage of those opportunities in the future.